This is our shock absorber right here. To remove this, I will have to undo the sway bar link, and also I will loosen this tie rod here so we can move it more easily. After that, we'll go under the bonnet and we'll have to undo some bolts from the shock absorber above, and that's basically it. It should come off with a special tool which I will show you in a moment. Now we have to go under the bonnet and we need to undo those bolts from above. Here they are. We need to undo those and it should come off. And the socket number here is 14. You can see directly that the shock absorber has fallen down, which is good. Let's release this brake line first. We need to separate this side here from our shock absorber, and therefore I bought here something. I've never used this before, but internet says this should work. Basically, it's some kind of separator thing. Let's see. There you go. To release this from the spring, we need to compress this spring like so with another tool, which is right here. What was the problem? You can listen it yourself. Normally it should go up, but this one doesn't anymore. Okay, I got the wrong one because this thing here should be on the side, so this is for my right side. So that's more like it. And by the way, we have here our transportation pins. This must be removed before you install. And as you can see, it goes back up. That's what we need. See? Good. And yes, you have a special not a place here where you need to put in your spring. You can't miss this, and if you don't put it in there, you won't be able to put this all back together. This rubber part here should click over this plastic edge. You'll see if you start to work with this. And we have a special place here so it kind of clicks in. There you go. By turning it, it works better, like this. The quad. Let's use second jack to put this together. What is going to happen here, I will push it up now with my second jack from below until it meets the right position here, and I will just fasten this, but the problem is I cannot film that together, so you'll just see it here coming. On the internet I could find that this torque moment is 40 Newton meters. So let's torque. I almost forgot about this bolt here. It's actually the one from shock absorber. We need to put this one back to its place, of course. Don't forget our pin. Always double check. Look, I forgot this sensor here. Let's put this on its place. Like so. Now check again, and we're good. We're good to go.